What's up, YouTube? Back again, Guns and Dirt Bikes 5-4. Here to shoot another video. Today I'm about to show you how to clean your Glock. I got a Glock 17 Gen 5 here. I call it Mocha Latte. I got a little bumps and bruises on her. Not too much. This is my baby. It's my EDC too. Everyday carry. First things first, you want to drop your mag. Always drop your mag. Make sure you don't got nothing in the head. Pop the one out the head. Make sure nothing's in there. Alright, we all clear. So basically, get a little closer so you see. You basically got two little mechanisms on the side that you pull down, basically two buttons. So you're gonna slide back, just as that drop. Take your two fingers and come down and let go. It should be down halfway. Simple. Slides right off. Alrighty. Take my spring out, my barrel. Put that right there. I got some P&B Blaster. This is my personal for this P&B Blaster. Penetrating oil. I just basically spray it down. Get her all lubed up. And my first spray down is pretty much like just getting everything lubricated, pretty much, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not really more so cleaning right here. I'm just trying to get everything nice and lubricated. Then I'm gonna wipe down, and then I'm gonna take you through my steps. I'm telling you, anybody that know me, I do this. Alright, first things first. Excuse me. Take it, get a good wipe down. And again, this stuff is great, man. That P&B Blaster, they say work it like a pro. Man, that thing work it like a pro, man. P&B, shout out to P&B Blaster, man. Definitely great, man. Awesome stuff, man. Just take it, I just get all my little dirt, all my little grime. Got the cut clean down, wipe down. You want to get all in the rails, everything. This stuff works good too, man. Works great. It's never failed me. Never. Not at all. Gonna clean it, man. If you got your gun, man, and you don't clean your gun at least once a week, at least, you don't need it. I know that gun raggedy as hell. I don't care what you got. Any gun a jam. I don't care what it is. Any gun. I done seen some bullshit, everything. Gotta clean your gun, man. You wash your ass every day, right? I hope so. Sure hope so. Got a bunch of dirt coming all out of this. everything a good wipe down. Everything good wipe down. Yeah, man, I clean my baby at least. Me personally, I clean my baby at least twice a week. Probably on the front end of the week and the back end. Like today, Monday, I clean her again by Thursday. Whether it's shots going through her or not. I clean her, keep her maintained. Get everything good. Everything down. Everything. Because, man, you'll be surprised what dirt can get into. Dirt, dust, all of that. It just traps up in there the whole time. Mm-hmm. And then for my next step, I just take everything and I just dip it back in. Like my spring, I wipe it, but I really don't. 'Cause that's really my main thing that I always want to sit and soak, man, is that spring. As long as you keep that spring right, I dip my slides back in. This is just lubricating everything. I dip my barrel in. Run some of that through. That's it. Let everything soak for a couple minutes. Alright. Now that I sat here and I let everything sit for a little second, I got everything getting in here soaking real good. Nice and lubricated. Yeah. See my drip? Yeah. See my drip? There it go. One more. There it go. That's what I want. Consistency of that. That's what I want. Exactly what I want. Take this. And this I just roll. Because one thing, if you take this, probably can't see what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it in my hand. I just take it and I roll it. Because you could get little cloth, any type of little debris can get caught in your spring, and that's, who knows, that's debris, you know. So I take it, I knock it, all that excess oil, I knock it. I knock all my excess oil off, set that there, come back to my barrel, dry that off. This you especially want to dry off pretty good. This stuff says here it's flammable. I've never had my gun to actually like go off like that besides run. But yeah, definitely want to clean out my barrel pretty good. Definitely want to clean that out very good. Stop. This, like as I'm wiping, I'm just really wiping my handle and making sure no dripping is coming, like no extra drip, because I actually want to keep this lubricated, just so my gun isn't dry. You get what I'm saying? So I just wipe all of this good. I wipe all of that good. Wipe that down. Set that here. I take this. I get my excess drip. Again, I want to leave this lubricated. I don't want it too dry. here, you just line it up, take your slides, line it up, line it up. Slide right back on. Now, see how I got all that excess grease and everything? I just take a rag, wipe it down real good. Good wipe down. Alrighty, and there we have it. Beautifully clean Glock 17 Gen 5. I call my baby Mocha Latte. I love her so much. It's my baby.